So SMA indicator is also available to use, so I published it on TradingView. So let's see like how you can use. So just go to this URL. You will provide this URL into it, and just add it to your favorite, and then go to indicator, and then select this, and then it will be visible here. And you see it will automatically, like, here the bottom triangle is telling like it here it is a buy signal, because the current market price is below 200 moving average and 50-day moving average and 20-day moving average, and reverse is happening here, and it also shows like how many days it took to reach here and what is the gain per percentage gain. And if you see here in Titan, today is also gave the sell signal, like, and in 3 days it gave 13.16%. So if we keep going back, we will find like here it gave 90, in 98 days it gave 28%, and here in 168 days it gave 31%. Yeah, so we can backtest this strategy according to this. And suppose if we go to Bajaj Finance, then here as well, like, recently it gives a signal like uh, it 226 days it is giving 16%, here in 160 days 22%, in 126 days 24%. Yeah, so this is a buy signal and this arrow is a sell signal.